Hello,
Hey.
welcome to another video.
Hey.
I made this little intro,
Hey.
so I won't forget no more.
Hey.
What's good, y'all? Welcome to the channel. I'm Does Holly. Y'all already know how we do it when we do it. Let's get into it. Nice and slow. Skirt.
Nice and slow. Nice and slow.
And we back. So let's get into it, y'all. As y'all can tell from the title, we got a whole bunch of good, great, awesome, amazing, yummy stuff. Got a whole little different setup for y'all, Let's not waste no time. Y'all go ahead, check out the spread. Alright, so we got fried fish, we got barbecue ribs, we got baked macaroni and cheese, and I got some potatoes over here, you feel me? You know what I'm talking about? That's what this good old SMACKALICIOUS sauce is for. Ooh, it's a little hot, Okay, we cooking. Alright, so let's get going, y'all. I ain't gonna waste no time. I just got off work. And I wanted to pull up, eat with y'all. I'm starving, y'all. Ooh. I love baked macaroni and cheese. Baby did the honors of cooking this for me, y'all. You know I've been craving barbecue ribs. I've been craving baked macaroni and cheese. Oh, fried fish, Lord, I don't want to talk about it no more. Ooh, let me pray, y'all. Let's drop them chins. I thank you for this beautiful meal. I thank you for the beautiful hands that prepared this meal for me. In your name, I pray. Amen. Let's eat, y'all. Let's get into it. Look at that. It's baked macaroni and cheese, y'all. I love it. And baby put my my favorite pepper jack cheese in it. Oh my goodness, it's like everything. Got some fried fish. It's whitings. I'm excited, y'all. I ordered my mic, so you feel me? Hopefully it'll be a little bit, the audio the audio will be a little bit better. Y'all gotta really forgive me because I'm still getting used to talking while eating. Anybody that's ever been out to eat with me or sat down and really ate with me, they know when that food come, conversation stops. I'm not even looking up. I'm going in, so it's new for me and I'm still getting familiar. I just wanted to dip that, y'all. I just wanted to dip it. Ooh. Let's go. Oh yeah. I got my food closer. Well, it's not that close to y'all, but let me get y'all a bite of fish. I'm gonna get y'all a bite of the bigger one. Don't trip. That's so good. Oh, y'all want potatoes first? Which one? Cause I don't know what y'all do. Do y'all eat y'all sides first? Y'all start with y'all meats first? I was gonna say I start with my meats first, but then I would have been a lie because I definitely ate my macaroni first. So who knows? This macaroni and cheese ain't no good for me. It ain't no good for me. It ain't no good. Because it's definitely gonna have my stomach feeling crazy. I'm not even supposed to be eating cheese like that, but I love it. I love it. I love it. How could you not? How could you not? I think if I was to ever go vegan or anything like that, that would be the hardest thing to give up, like dairy, milk, eggs, cheese. Hot. I taught baby how to make ribs, y'all, and literally they just fall off the bone. Like, it's literally I'm just cooking. I gotta go in these people's kitchen, get some napkins. Hopefully it don't take me long. They just got them out. I ain't gotta go rummaging through their things because I ain't into going through people's stuff. Just coming in their house and eating. That's it. That's all. That's it. Yeah, let me get y'all a bite of this right here. It's coming towards y'all. Go ahead and take it. Ooh. Yeah. All that. Y'all want a little sauce with that too? Ooh, that's hot. Go ahead. Yep. Oh, it's hot. All right, now. That's a little hot. This is so good. I don't know if I told you I got a birthday party to go to. It's my goddaughters. I'm gonna insert a little clip there.
Yeah, harder, Lily. Go ahead.
Hard, Lily. One more time, blow it. She waiting on person. She likes to blow it.
We got the same birthday, so that's pretty dope. Whoa. That's a lot. Not in spice, but it's in fire. Heat. Turn you all the way off. I see that? Smoke? I don't even know if y'all can see it. Oh, there you go. Y'all see it. Yeah, hot. It's extra hot. Oh, that's what I wanted to ask y'all. How y'all like y'all macaroni and cheese too? You feel me? I'm a little older now. My mother, she made it a couple different ways. She made like the sauce and then put it in there, and so it was kind of like a sauce to it too. Some people just cut the cheese up and put it in there and do both. How do you guys do yours? I like both, but with it cut up like that, it's just better for me. This was good. I also wanted to ask your opinion. Ooh. I also wanted to ask your opinion on, I'm pretty sure y'all seen the little girl, the little girl for the H&M campaign. Hold on one second. I know y'all don't like looking at the bone. This is good. I'm gonna need a nap. But yeah, it's a little girl. She's for, I guess, H&M's fall, I guess, going back to school campaign or anything like that. Whatever. Either way it goes. Baby girl. A lot of people were talking about her hair in this picture. I'm gonna put up for you guys. And so, whew. That's hot, boy. Maybe because it's glass, that stuff is like, it's heat hot. Like, the roof of my mouth gonna be burnt. Tongue gonna be burnt. I ain't gonna be able to taste nothing later type. But, a lot of people were talking about her hair. Now, me, I'm the type of person, I got a very broad, like, understanding of things. You understand? So I can definitely understand the people, like, you know what I'm saying, why is her hair like that? You feel me? Like, why, you know, everybody else hair look like this, look like that. Why is her hair like that? Okay, boom. But then at the same token, I think about, I'm gonna insert, if I could find it, a picture of me. You know what I'm saying? When I came home from school and, you know what I'm saying, ended up taking a picture or something like that. My hair look crazy too, you feel me? And I never seen anybody with hair like mine, you know what I mean? Or hair like anybody else that was in my classroom. I never seen them on the screen. I never seen them, certainly not in a campaign or an ad, you feel me? Maybe if I did, that would have made me feel a little better about my hair, you know what I'm saying? Maybe that would have made me feel not so bad if mine do my hair the next day or the next week, or, you know what I mean? So it's like, I don't know. What y'all think? And do y'all feel like, because I looked at, this is what H&M said. Basically, you know, they just wanted that back to school natural image, natural look. And I can completely understand it, you know what I'm saying? And the aspect of that, you know what I mean? Like I said, point blank period, baby girl is beautiful, you know what I'm saying? Baby girl is beautiful. She's gorgeous. Like, so like I said, she reminds me of me when I was younger. So it's like if I would have seen more images like that, I don't know, the ball game probably, you know, you never know how life would turn, how life would have been. So they said Black Twitter is enraged, but it's like what are y'all mad for? What are y'all really mad for? You know what I'm saying? But y'all give me y'all take on it. I personally feel like baby girl is beautiful. I wouldn't have, if I would have seen the picture, I wouldn't have made too much noise about it, I don't think, initially, like how everybody else had, because I feel like I've seen that growing up. I've seen that on a daily basis, you know what I'm saying? But I've never seen it publicized. I've never seen it on mainstream media. I never seen that little girl that lived down the street or on the corner, somebody that looks identical to her, maybe in whatever shape, way, fashion, form. She had somebody to say, oh wow, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know. Like I said, y'all tell me what y'all think, because I'm the type of person where I can kind of see the good in a little bit of everything. Not everything, but y'all know what I mean. So, yeah. Y'all drop in the comments down below. Y'all let me know. Tell me what y'all think on that. Man, I ain't gonna make this a too long video. I gotta dip, you know what I'm saying? I gotta get ready. And like I said, first I think I'm gonna take like a little 30-minute nap. And then, yeah, I gotta be out. As always, bruh. What are you doing in my crib? Like, what are you doing in my crib? Yo, the show's over. Show's over. That's it. It's a wrap. You gotta go. No intro, no outro, none of that. Like you pulled up. Let me just say my intro. Let me do my outro. Let me do my outro. We good. Let me just do my outro. My bad, y'all. Y'all already know. You gotta go. Make sure y'all no outro. Do you know what I'm saying? Like outro. My bad. Like I can't take the food. I'm gonna take the sauce. Show's over, guys. You already know. Hit that like, hit that comment, hit that subscribe. Let's go, Holly. Come on now. Let's go.
Nah, you gotta make that shit happen.